this here's the story of the good-hearted glory of a couple of boys you may know. The guitar-slinging brothers, known simply to others as the Songbirds of Owensboro. When they were but 10, God was beckoning them towards their silver-haired daddy's sixth string. And it didn't take long for those birds to find song. They were leaving the nest by the spring. They saw the whole world, pretty sights, pretty girls, pretty far from the place where they came. And when they were done singing and done guitar slinging, they'd go back to Kentucky again. For no big stage can beat the simple and sweet of the backyard beneath starry skies. No people to hear and no crowds for to cheer, aside from Mom and Pa shouting reprise. That's how it went, that's how 10 years was spent. And then 20 and 30 and on. Long lonesome travel and then back to home gravel, even after their folks were long gone. Now one day the Lord found those boys safe and sound on that same fateful mountain top. Well, ain't they lucky to die in Kentucky, where the heavenly music don't stop. You can hear them sing still on that Owensboro hill, where the Lord laid their voices to rest. The low of the hum and the soft of the strum will rise in your sorrowful chest. This here's the story of the good-hearted glory of a couple of boys you may know. The guitar-slinging brothers, known simply to others as the Songbirds of Owensboro.